So our Ultimate Employee Lounge has been up and running for quite some time. We got Xbox, we got PlayStation, we got Nintendo Switch. But the one thing missing is a freaking gaming PC. Now, you guys might remember that we actually had one here before, but that had to be taken apart so that we could scavenge parts from it for gaming at every price point, which we showed off at LTX. So we've actually had no functioning VR setup in here at all. Fortunately, that changes today. The Mad Lads over at Origin PC just sent over what they are calling the Tetris PC. Why Tetris, you might ask? Well, apparently there's like a VR version of Tetris that's like Super Amazeballs or something, and they built an entire themed PC around this game for us to check out, install, and take for a test drive. So let's get it deployed and let's try out some Tetris VR, shall we?
Should we give him a sneak peek?
Oh, come on, let's take
Man. There you go. That's all you get.
That was it.
Just roll the intro.
I got it. Oh, wow, it's heavy. Holy crap. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Not bad.
Is that the name of the game? Tetris
That was
Effect?
freaking awesome. Oh no, that wasn't the cool side. This is the cool side.
Oh boy. You got it?
Dang it. we done got it wrong, Jake. That looks freaking awesome. So, this config is about as crazy as it gets. So we've got a 3900X, that's a 12-core AMD processor in there. We're running on MSI's X570 godlike motherboard, which is about as fully featured as it gets. This is like, what, $700, $800 motherboard?
Something like that, yeah.
Something crazy like that. We've got a terabyte of PCI Express Gen 4 storage, courtesy of Corsair. We've got Corsair's Dominator Pro RGB memory, which apparently has been configured with like a Tetris block falling effect. We've got dual RTX 2080 Supers, and these are a really interesting one to me because the 2080 Super actually inherits the PCB of the 2080 Ti. So, compared to buying a single 2080 Ti, if your game supports SLI, 2 of these is a very cost-effective way to get Mondo frame rates. So I'm really excited to try this out in VR. Hilariously though, as top of the line as this thing is, the first thing we're gonna do before we play any VR games is upgrade it. Not because the hardware is not fast, but because rather than just running our VR with a tether like, you know, a bunch of plebs, we're gonna be using WiGig. So this right here is the 60 gigahertz WiGig card that comes with the Vive wireless kit. So we're gonna be taking this headset over here and turning it into one that doesn't have all this,
I hate it when I have too much meow.
Yeah, too much meow. Okay.
Woo. So we have to maintain these 2 slots for SLI. But I think we're gonna have to use this riser for the middle, and then we're gonna have to add a riser.
Right. So here's the thing. Even though AMD has more PCI Express lanes on their consumer chips than Intel does, it comes down to the motherboard manufacturers and the way that they implement the splitting, because even AMD doesn't have enough for, a 16x graphics card, another 16x graphics card, and then like all these other slots to have their full lane allotment. So in order to get SLI working, which means we need a minimum of an 8x link on each of our graphics cards, we need to plug this one into a slot that is wired through the chipset. So that's why Jake is moving the risers around right now. So we've moved our second graphics card into a middle slot so that we can put our wireless adapter there, and then moved the other end of this adapter right here into the bottom slot. That's wired up through the motherboard chipset. Then we've added our own PCI Express riser right here. In the middle, we're gonna plug this one into the other, what'll be an 8x slot, and then our second graphics card is gonna plug in to this one, which, wait, where are we gonna put it?
It goes through here. I actually had to cut this to make it fit.
I see that. Okay, well that should work. I mean, it's mostly supported by this.
It's supported by
anyway.
this and the NV-Link connector.
Okay. Card number 1. What? That was fine.
You gotta hold this back plate.
What? I did hold the back plate. I was holding it from the bottom. Look. Like that.
You're a liar.
Not liar, I was holding it right like that.
Liar.
I was holding it from the back and I just squeezed my hand like that.
I'm holding it for you now.
No, you're not holding it. I'm holding it. See, look, see how I can move it away from your hand like that? See, like that.
You're holding the graphics card, you're not
No,
holding the
I'm holding the
backplate.
bottom.
Where?
Look, the
Oh, you got your little finger in there, I see.
back. I have small hands, sir.
Ah, right.
It's an evolutionary PC building advantage. I was born to do this. All right, so now our WiGig card goes right there. So the bad news is that it's got a graphics card right up against it that is going to be making this heatsink work like it's never worked before. The good news is that there's a fan right next to it that should at least give it some airflow across it. That looks freaking awesome. And it's upgraded now. The shirt is also a wipe, lttstore.com. So there it is, guys. Our dual graphics cards, our WiGig adapter, and then that is it. That is all the expansion that we'll be doing here. And that's really one of the best parts about buying an Origin PC. Not only do mods like this not void your warranty, but Origin PC support is there to help with them. They offer upgrade recommendations available direct from their inventory, and even free installs if you're not comfortable doing upgrades yourself. You just have to ship them over your system. If you don't want the hassle and worry of sending in your system, they can even walk you through the upgrade over the phone, email, or live chat for free 24/7 with their US-based in-house customer service. The antenna on this thing is
I'm picking it up now.
pretty crazy pants.
You're gonna have to move with me.
Oh, we're going. There you go.
Okay, that's not too bad. I'm gonna put these back down here.
All right, let's get our peripherals hooked up. Okay, so I was trying to find the breakout box, but we don't need this. We're gonna pull this off, right?
Yeah, I think it goes forward.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I've done that a few times.
Really?
Yeah, because I replaced my cable.
With like a thinner one or something?
It's not actually that much thinner, it's just
Oh,
more
leave that
round.
one. You want the headphones, right?
Oh yeah, we still need the headphone jack.
Okay, so this is the wireless receiver. It's gonna supply both power, USB, audio, and our display through the WiGig antenna up there. And you can go pretty far, and you can actually have up to 3 of these things operating at the same time in the same space.
I actually didn't know that.
Yeah, but we're just
That's
gonna
pretty
use
cool.
it for us, because we don't have friends.
Now this adapter is actually compatible with the Vive Pro as well, but you need the Vive Pro cable, which only comes with the Vive Pro version of the kit, which we don't have.
And then the last component, power. So you don't actually have to use these Vive brand battery packs, although that's all that's gonna fit in this little strap thing. You just have to use something that has Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, which coincidentally, we have a massive one for. Ooh.
Wow. That would run for a while.
Maybe not the most comfortable thing. You might need a belt,
Oh, that's heavy.
but this one works pretty good, so
Yeah, why don't we just go with that?
stick with that for now.
There we go. Hey, that's more like it. Oh, no way.
Wait, what?
They went and they put Tetris stuff on the motherboard as well. What the heck? That's awesome.
I'm actually really interested to see how this performs. Like, do you think it's gonna be crappy?
I don't know. I mean,
Let me point the antenna a little better.
if the marketing is to be believed, it should be basically the same latency as the regular VR experience. You know, I don't notice a difference. Do you know if it's gotta compress the video stream a little bit, right? I've been playing a lot on the Index, so I will say that the image quality is a significant step down compared to what I've been used to lately. But in terms of the latency, it feels great. I mean, this is so much better than wearing one of those backpacks just because you just got a little thing clipped. And like, it does, the horns here do make the headset feel a little bit heavier, but it's not bad. Okay, so are we gonna do this Tetris thing first?
Yeah, I guess so. Have you played this before?
Tetris?
Yeah.
What do you mean have I played Tetris before? I'm old, of course I've played Tetris.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh, come on. It's just the controls I'm having trouble with.
3 times what you've
You
done
know what?
so
The
far.
music's really good though. I can see how people could kind of just like, you know, groove to this.
These visual effects are getting more intense.
Oh, 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 oh. Shoot, that was close. Shoot, I just keep pressing the wrong buttons. Like that's the issue.
Whoa.
Oh no, no!
What are you doing?
I keep pressing up instead of down.
You're committing Sudoku right now. This is not good.
Okay. This one changes it. There we go. This one changes. Okay. Oh,
you might actually lose the first level. He might actually lose.
Okay, this is not my finest gaming performance here.
Wait, what was that?
That was me not knowing where to put that, okay?
Oh, you got one, wow. You only need 10 more lines.
Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, this is not good. I'm sure all the Tetris nerds are like, wow, Linus, WTF, yo, right about now. I'm sure all the normies who don't play Tetris are like, yo, Linus, WTF. Oh, no! No, I wanted to turn it one more time.
You need 7 more lines.
I can't do the controls, I can't.
You heard it here first. Linus can't even play the first level of Tetris.
And we literally have the performance metrics like right on the screen. I can't blame the computer or the lag at all. It's like perfect. People are giving me a hard time about like being winded after playing VR, but like if you're not winded, you're not doing it right.
Have you done this song before?
A little bit.
What the hell? 154 combo. He hasn't screwed up a single one yet.
Whew. Yeah, these are quite a bit heavier. Man, that was butter. That was butter smooth. It's not 120 hertz, but it'll do. I gotta say, I am shocked how smooth this is.
The performance or the wireless?
I mean,
both?
The performance with this much horsepower, I was expecting it to be good, but this is a game that I'd be particularly sensitive to latency in just because the timing is pretty tight for a lot of stuff, but I can't tell. Like if I didn't know I was wireless, I would have no idea.
Yeah, I wonder if even in a blind taste test, if you'd be able to tell.
No.
You don't think so?
Absolutely not.
Huh.
Yeah, there's no way. And like, yeah, more frames per second would be better. More resolution would be better, but it's definitely not a latency issue. This is definitely a little more demanding than Beat Saber. We're up around 8 milliseconds, 8.5 milliseconds, but we're still comfortably under 11, which is all you need for 90 hertz. Wow, the accuracy sucks. There's like recoil and stuff. What do they want from me?
The real gun. No way.
When a demon is staggered from taking enough damage, you can teleport into it, simultaneously obliterating it. Okay. Blah, blah. Okay, sure, so that's the equivalent of a glory kill.
Ooh.
Okay, that's gross.
Blood everywhere. Oh God, ah. Oh God. Use the explodey thing.
Oh, what the crap?
Oh boy.
Oh, what?
You're getting wrecked.
Yeah, this is awesome. I'm not seeing more than like 7 milliseconds here in this like relatively simple environment. Oh, dang it. These guys lunge at the last second. That is pretty good. I mean, we're only standing in the spawn area right now.
So you pull left trigger to walk, but you don't want to walk
Whoa, my God, that is very...
Not that one.
Tray disorienting. Which way do I go?
Go to the right, that portal over there, that one.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get sick.
Isn't this insane? Somebody collected these resources by hand and like built this in a day. It's pretty impressive.
How do I move again? Oh yeah, there we go.
Okay, you're flying. Okay, and then there's all the beacons. So if you double tap the pad again, it'll make you go down.
It's weird, it's chugging, but it's not like GPU limited, it feels like, because it's only like 4 millisecond frame times.
What does it say your FPS is?
Oh no, yeah, it's only 47. Huh. That is, actually feels very high. All right, we're doing it, boys. Ah! Oh, wow, like my legs were like braced for impact. What are you trying
there you go.
Oh man, I gotta like crouch. Ah!
Just wait until you get outside. This has been quite the adventure.
Ah!
Whoa.
Oh, that is so much better. I am so much more comfortable right now.
Okay, go back around to the buttons.
It's fine now. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going, boys?
There we go.
Okay. Hey. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so nauseating. Okay. Oh my God, this is a bad experience. Okay, it's running really smoothly and that's cool, but these stair step rails,
I didn't try this before.
I don't know what hurts more, my head or my stomach. Okay, this is okay when I'm just on a straightaway. This is pretty cool. No! Oh, wow. Okay, I'm done. I'm out, I'm done. Oh.
I don't see
how I feel so sick.
So bad? Why is it with videos with me, you always end up on the ground?
I don't know. Pretty sure you do it on purpose.
I didn't. I thought it would be cool. It was so bad.
Well, all that's left now is a massive shout out to Origin PC for sending this over and sponsoring this video, and an admission that we might not have hooked it up just right. When we mashed down on this cable, that was unnecessary. They actually included a right angle HDMI in the box so that you can just go like that. Whoops. Well, now we know. Yep, that's a little better. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out my review of the Valve Index if you haven't had quite enough LTT for one day.